What is the value of the expression 52 minus 8 divided by 2 squared multiplied by open parenthesis 9 minus 7 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that a lot of people get the wrong answer. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. To solve this question, most people first focus on the subtraction between 52 and 8, and they write the whole expression as 44 divided by 2 squared multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and write this expression in the simplified form below. 44 divided by 4 multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. Then, they handle the division between 44 and 4 and replace this expression with 11 multiplied by 9 minus 7 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 2. So, this expression becomes 11 multiplied by 2, which finally gives them the answer 22. Then, they quickly look at the options and choose option A as the correct answer to this question. But, I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people when solving this question first focus on the expression inside the parentheses and replace the whole expression with 52 minus 8 divided by 2 squared multiplied by 2. And the next step, they usually go to the exponent and simplify to 52 minus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Then, they perform the multiplication between 4 and 2 because they believe multiplication has higher priority than division. So, they rewrite this expression as 52 minus 8 divided by 8. And the final step, they focus on the division between 8 and 8 because they think division has higher priority than subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 52 minus 1, which equals 51. And immediately, they conclude that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let's go through this question step by step and solve it together. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we have to perform all the operations in order following the PEMDAS rule from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have a subtraction sign, then a division sign, and after that we have an exponent, then a multiplication, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we should start with the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we can rewrite this expression as 52 minus 8 divided by 2 squared times 2. And the next step, we go to the exponent, because after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 52 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2. Then, we must perform the division and multiplication. However, it's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this situation, we must start from the left and move toward the right, performing these two operations in order. So, first we do the division between 8 and 4, and this expression simplifies to 52 minus 2, then times 2. And the final step, we perform the multiplication between 2 and 2, which simplifies this expression to 52 minus 4. And finally, the value of this expression will be 48. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.